गलतफहमी निकाल दो अपनी। शरीफ सिर्फ चेहरा है, हम नहीं।
मेरा नाम इतना कमजोर भी नहीं कि दो चार कुत्तों के भौंकने से बदनाम हो जाए।
To dissect girls. Did you know I'm utterly insane?
अपनी जिंदगी का मैं खुद बादशाह हूँ, मुझे नहीं जरूरत दो पल के सहारों की।
हर चीज का वक्त होता है, अभी उसका वक्त चल रहा है। हमारा वक्त आने दो, मिलूंगा जरूर, लेकिन अभी नहीं।
Nobody believes in you. You've lost again and again and again. The lights are cut off, but you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and say to yourself, it's not over until I win. There are moments when you're going to doubt yourself. There are rough times are going to come, but they have not come to stay. They have come to pass. It's very important for you to know that. Don't say I'm having a bad day. Say I'm having a character building day. No matter how bad it is, or how bad it gets, I'm going to make it. It's possible that you can live your dream, that it's necessary, that you're relentless, that you have a plan of action, that you are creative. It's not over until I win. I'm the one, no matter how bad it is or how bad it gets,
ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் ரொம்ப நல்லது. விளையாடுங்க, படிப்பை குறைச்சிக்கோங்க, விளையாடுங்க, ரொம்ப நல்லது.